Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. Hope you're having a great day. Okay, I'm happy to announce I got a new sponsor for this channel. And they sent me a sample of their products. And I told them I'd do an unboxing. So it's all right here in this box. So we'll open it up and see what's in it. So you know how hard it would be for me to hang on to this box for 3 or 4 days and not even look into it. So I've been kind of anxious to look into it and see what's in it. So we'll do that now. We got paper. Okay, the new sponsor for this channel is Super Clean. This is their Super Clean foaming, dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. So it's going to be nice to try out their products. Wow, look at this big one here. That's floor absorbent. Absorbs spills super easy, super fast. Here's Super Clean. Dissolves grease super easy, super fast. This is the Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. This is the can spray. Aerosol can. Got a hat. Got a t-shirt. That's cool. All wheel cleaner. Be good for the cars. Then we got another can of super clean. Another spray on. Also have another here's Super Clean. I hope that's a sticker. I'll go up here on my sponsor board. Wow, that's 32 ounces right there. And that's another 32 ounce. Okay, now I'm official. Super Clean. Well, I got the letter from Super Clean. This is from Jessica. And the main highlighted area in this letter is Super Clean works best with cold water and it is important never to let Super Clean dry on the surface. So we just want to spray it on and wipe it off. All wheel cleaner. As you've seen in my last video, I was working on a microwave and I didn't install it for one reason. time to get it cleaned up. Time to put this product to the test. You can imagine a microwave that's been installed for the last 19 years, an overhead microwave, and cooking underneath it, up underneath, is going to get pretty greasy. So we're going to put the products to the test. We'll try the spray on, we'll try this into the foaming. This is just super cleaner. So that's going to be good. I always need some of this out in the shop. So I have to get my shirt on sometime. Okay, this one says new and available at AutoZone. I'll have to give you a list on my next video where all this product's available at. I believe it's Walmart, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Ace Hardware. There's several others that I've seen on there. I'm happy to announce my new sponsor on this channel. So we're gonna make 2 or 3 videos and check each one of these products. Okay, this video here is just going to be for unboxing. So the next videos we'll get into checking these products out. Okay, this is my sticker. I wish it was a little bit bigger. Stick it right over here. They're super clean. They're super clean on the sponsor wall. Thanks again, Super Clean, for sending me these products to try out. It's winter time, so it might be a little while before I'll try some of them, but this would be good on an oil change or something. Get the car cleaned up on this one and get the wheels all cleaned back up. Yeah, I can't wait to try them out. But like I say, I'll make probably about 3 videos out of all these. So on the back of the can it has brakes on your car and grills, and you got engines. Keep that engine cleaned up. So you don't want to spray this on a hot engine. Got to make sure it's nice and cool. Okay, this one is the foaming one. So again, I thank Super Clean for the sponsorship of this video and the videos to come. We'll get these products checked out and see how good they work. I'm sure they work great. So my subscribers, if you see this in the store, and grab your bottle of it and check it out.